Good morning guys, and welcome to this week's video. We're starting off this video 24-hour challenge at 8:39 a.m. This challenge is going to be husband is pregnant for 24 hours. I actually did this video last year. Obviously I wasn't pregnant, and I actually think we should watch that video and kind of like, a lot of people have asked us to react to it, but a lot of you guys have requested that Parker be pregnant for 24 hours with me. So we're starting at 8:40. Go grab the belly out of the cabinet. Good thing I kept it. I don't know why. I don't know what I ever thought that I would use it for.
Alrighty.
Oh, Luma.
Are you ready?
Woo! Woohoo!
On the fake pregnancy belly.
Do you think that belly's as big as mine now or smaller?
I think it's maybe a little smaller. This is gonna be uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Especially like this strap behind.
I think, yeah, if I remember right, the worst part, like obviously this part was uncomfy, but turn around. It was this part like digs into your back.
Yeah.
That was honestly the worst part. Basically, we're just gonna kind of go through my normal day. Parker's just gonna do all the stuff that I do with his pregnant belly. So first thing that we like to do, we actually both do this pretty much almost every single morning, is a workout. I switch off between going to the gym or working out at home. And since it is a little bit later in the day, usually I like to be at the gym by like 8, and it's already 8:42 now. So I think we should just get in a quick little workout at home. We just got the workout stuff set up. Sadly, we gave away Parker's yoga mat when we moved. But anyways, I'll just do my normal workout and you can do what I do. Nothing too crazy.
Easy.
But we're gonna get started.
Forget about signs and rules. The payment and the long, long rows. And you're always in such a rush.
How do you feel? That was like an easy workout.
Yeah, it was a really easy workout. I don't feel like tired from the workout. Yeah. But from this thing, my belly is super sweaty and uncomfortable and it feels gross. The Velcro strap thing is like...
Yeah, I really feel like that's the worst part. It like digs into your skin and doesn't feel good. Do you feel like you notice anything different? I feel like because I've been pregnant for so long now, I almost like don't notice. A lot of times
there being
when
a belly right there?
Well, like sometimes I do. If I'm like...
Or the extra weight. What do you mean do I notice?
Kind of your belly. Like I feel like I don't really notice the extra weight now. I notice my belly sometimes, like when we're doing the leg. If I'm laying on my side and then switch to the other side.
Oh yeah.
I'll like notice my belly, but I feel like for the most part, I'm just really used to it.
I don't think it felt any heavier, but it was definitely more uncomfortable and more awkward having it. Like it being right there, like sitting... Bending this way is awkward.
Stretching
like anything bending
hard.
down, yeah.
Also, there was like a couple times when we were trying to figure out like what exercise to do next, and Parker was like, "Oh, do this one, like get on your stomach," and then he's like, "Oh wait, we can't do that."
Can't get on my stomach.
Yeah. Next up, we're going to do breakfast. What are you craving?
What am I craving?
Yeah.
I think I'm craving eggs.
Oh, that's what you want? We can get anything you want.
Oh, like go somewhere?
If you want. It's just your craving today. We already have a healthy lunch.
I'm kind of craving Chick-fil-A breakfast, to be honest.
Okay.
Let's go get
Gotta get the pregnancy craving.
Yeah.
Broken dreams.
You already had your first moment of pregnancy brain.
Yeah, I did.
I was like, wait, what Chick-fil-A are you going to? Are you not going to the new one that's right up the road?
So that's the thing. It's brand new. It just opened. I think we've only been to that one once. And we've been to this one probably like 10 to 20 times.
Not that many times. 20 times?
This is just the one that was in my head, but pregnancy brain. Hi, can I get a number 3, the egg white grill?
Sure, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
What?
You need a tighter outfit.
I am starving with my pregnancy cravings. Okay, I got 2 sandwiches. I went healthy for the first one and got an egg white delight. Actually, I'm gonna eat the unhealthy one first. It's what the baby wanted.
My baby wanted hash browns.
So I'm sitting here eating my meal. Like I'm having a hard time getting a full deep breath while I'm eating my food. And it's making me feel like sick and like I have a stomach ache for whatever reason. I don't know.
It's a lot harder to breathe, like literally all the time.
Yeah, I know. I definitely feel your pain, and I could not do it. Like
you can't feel the pain unless your insides are really moving.
I can't feel the pain, but I somewhat understand the pain with like not being able to breathe fully and feeling sick. Like I just feel like
not taking a deep breath.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so next on our to-do list for the day is to create our to-do list for the day and also just get some computer work done. Parker usually prefers to get his work done in the office, and I prefer to sit right here on the couch and get mine done. So you can pick where you want to get yours done, but
I'll sit out here, but just because this is how you do it.
Yeah.
But I still think that I would prefer to sit upright in a chair if I was pregnant.
But here's the thing, when you're really pregnant, sitting upright, I guess if you have good posture, it doesn't hurt. But if you're slouching at all, you're literally sitting on your own stomach and your own
I feel like the
organs.
belly though is forcing me to like sit upright. Like it sags out this way and sends my shoulders backwards.
It gives you good posture.
I feel like it does. Maybe it's just the strap.
It might be the strap,
It probably
because it's
is
like
the
hurting
strap.
your back. Anyways, it's always kind of hard for me to like sit like that in certain places. Like if we're in the car for too long, you're literally just like sitting on your own self, and it's the weirdest thing.
know.
And I feel like that can kind of recreate the
It
feeling
kind
a
of does.
little
Like
bit.
I can feel my boobs sitting on
Your
like
boob.
It's like kind of like
Yeah.
overlapping right there.
Yeah, it's like
But
the
there's
inside.
no
though,
way
is
that
what
it's
feels weird.
the same. Yeah.
This is how Parker likes to make our to-do lists, on these little pieces of paper.
There's nothing I love more than crossing something off. Of the
Me
to-do
too.
list.
So we have a few things from yesterday. We can actually cross off this one.
Film the pregnant video, which we're filming right now.
Oh.
So we've been sitting here getting work done. I've been having some of the same pregnancy symptoms that Aspyn's been having. So I just really need a foot massage right now because we've been working and my feet are hurting. Oh, this is what much needed.
Are you helping me?
Oh yeah. All right, so my next pregnancy craving is pesto pasta, and I'm gonna make it a little healthier and add some, what are they called? They're cherry tomatoes. And then we also have this baby spinach that we bought that we need to use up before tomorrow, so. All right, so here's my pregnancy lunch. The noodles with my pesto sauce, and then there's some spinach. I like these tomatoes so much that I'll eat them whole. Aspyn doesn't like them very much, so. All right, we made it to the park. You look really cute. I like your outfit. What do you think of mine? Show me and let me see what I look like. There's like quite a bit of people here. Look at it.
Oh, you look cutie.
Do you think I look like I have a fake belly on, or do you think I
No.
look like I'm just tubby?
You just look like you're a little bit tubby. So, something else that we like to do after we have gotten all of our work done for the day, we also ate dinner. We like to take Luma out to the park and either let her like run around and play or go on a walk. Usually Parker's like running around with her, and me with this, I don't do any of the running. How's your experience been so far?
So, it's honestly not been that bad.
You also put on an undershirt.
I was just gonna say,
Yeah.
I took it off and put on an undershirt because the strap was like
The strap was the
tearing
worst
my
part.
back up.
Cute, we got matching bellies.
We got matching bellies. That's exhausting. Running around with this thing flapping around on your belly.
Alright, it is bedtime now. This is my pregnancy pillow I sleep with every night. It's not like a typical one that's U-shaped. I think you can use it for a lot of different stuff, but I like to just sleep with it between my legs. You're gonna have one of those tonight too.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this one.
Excuse me. You matched the pillow. Lately, I've actually been sleeping with one on each side. We can't really fit four. I guess we can share the
Yeah,
middle
we'll have
one.
to share the middle.
Just makes it a little more comfy for if you're sleeping. All right, enjoy your night with your belly.
I will. This is gonna be hard.
And a lot of people say you're not supposed to sleep on your back.
Really?
My doctor said it was fine. He said it was like an old wives' tale.
Okay, then I'll sleep on my belly.
You can't sleep on your belly. I try to not sleep on my back. I wake up on my back sometimes, but you gotta try and sleep on your side.
I'll give it my best shot.
All right, we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good morning, guys. It was a pretty miserable night. I was tossing and turning all night long. I couldn't sleep very well, and then I woke up at 6 a.m.
I slept pretty good.
Nice.
What are your overall thoughts?
Overall, I don't think it was anything similar to being pregnant, but I think it was like a good way to you know, see what it's like to have a belly, you know, not bump into things with it and stuff like that. Overall, I don't think it was
Yeah, now that
comparable
I'm
to pregnancy at all.
pregnant, yeah, I don't really think so either. Maybe just if your back like hurts a little bit from the extra weight, but anyways, it was a fun challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. We are actually heading on our baby moon trip. It's our last vacation, just the two of us. So check out our vlog channel if you guys want to see that. We hope you guys liked watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Bye.
Guys.